Chairman Henry Waxman and members of the Energy and Commerce Committee brought together stakeholders from all corners of the country and every sector of our economy to reach a historic agreement on comprehensive energy legislation. It's another promising sign of progress, as longtime opponents are sitting together at the same table to help solve one of America's most serious challenges. For the first time, utility companies and corporate leaders are joining, rather than opposing, environmental advocates and labor leaders to create a new system of clean energy initiatives that will help unleash a new era of growth and prosperity. It's a plan that will finally reduce our dangerous dependence on foreign oil and cap the carbon pollution that threatens our health and our climate. Most important, it's a plan that will trigger the creation of millions of new jobs for Americans who will produce the wind turbines and solar panels and develop the alternative fuels to power the future. Because this we know, the nation that leads in 21st century clean energy is the nation that will lead the 21st century global economy. America can and must be that nation, and this agreement is a major step toward this goal. But we know that our families, our economy, and our nation itself will not succeed in the 21st century if we continue to be held down by the weight of rapidly rising healthcare costs and a broken healthcare system. That's why I met with representatives of insurance and drug companies, doctors and hospitals, and labor unions who are pledging to do their part to reduce healthcare costs. These are some of the groups who've been among the fiercest critics of past comprehensive healthcare reform plans. But today, they too are recognizing that we must act. Our businesses will not be able to compete. Our families will not be able to save or spend. Our budgets will remain unsustainable unless we get healthcare costs under control. These groups have pledged to do their part to reduce the annual healthcare spending growth rate by 1.5 percentage points. Coupled with comprehensive reform, their efforts could help to save our nation more than $2 trillion in the next 10 years and save hardworking families $2,500 each in those coming years.